then I'll answer the question at the end. So this is the preview for the week of February 22nd to February 26th, the last full week of February, a busy month, a cold month, I know in the UK, also here. And on Monday we have Eurozone PMIs. It's not written here on the slide, but worth mentioning. More importantly, on Tuesday we have the German IFO business climate. IFO is Germany's #1 think tank, and they have a lot of impact. We also have ECB consumer confidence and existing home sales from the US. Both, I would say, sort of second-tier figures, but they're mixed together. Could, if they both go in the same direction, it could be significant. On Wednesday, we have new home sales, which are more important because when a new home is sold, it has more impact, more economic activity than when it's just an existing home sale. And crude oil inventories, which always, well, for oil at least, they move markets a bit. More importantly, on Thursday, UK GDP, the second release. It usually doesn't change, but any small change could be significant for the already vulnerable pound. Okay. Okay, and Eurozone inflation, final inflation figures for January. It has an impact on the ECB's decision. And durables goods orders, the core figure, is important for investment and is watched by the Fed. So Thursday is a very, very busy day. Okay, and on Friday, it doesn't end there. We have the US GDP. It's the second release. It's the first revision. And that's big because in the US, we usually have significant revisions, and that could be very, very significant. At the same time, we also have the core PCE price index, very boring term, but this also has an impact on the Fed. So it's sort of the week warms up, every day becomes more and more interesting. Watch out again for the mood for oil prices next week. These things will continue accompanying us. Also news from China. And I guess we will have some kind of a deal on the UK's EU membership relatively soon. Okay, so this is the preview for next week's events.